Sign in to OnePlace using your Active Directory or AD login. That's your school email address and password. Once logged in, you have direct access to your streaming channel through ClassroomCast, direct access to all the databases of content, and a direct link to your Adobe Creative Cloud Express content creation tools. But the true magic of OnePlace is the Federated Search. In the Federated Search, you type in a topic in the bar and hit search. And within moments, you have thousands of results of resources you can use on that topic. By clicking on the database name in the left, it will display all the different resources it has available. You just scroll down and go through the list. If you click on the little box, you can save your list as you find different things you like. You can then export them, save them to a folder, or send them to yourself in an email.